Hey y'all, welcome back to Hang with Liz. This is part 3 of our birdhouse. Today we're going to use some painting, okay? And we are going to paint the sides and paint the base, and then I'm going to diamond dot over that paint when it dries. So today is going to be our main house piece. This should be a lot of fun. As you can see, we've gotten a lot done. We got our chimney, our roof, our awnings, our wood burning tool out. We did the fence, and the top part is wood burned as well. And it's starting to really come along. And I've got some water, and I'll show you the rest. Got my house, some water, some paint, and some brushes. So we're gonna do this thing together. I'm gonna turn it where you can see. Okay, as you can see, I had to grab some paper towel real quick. This is gonna be kind of fun and simple and sweet. And I think we're gonna do a nice pretty blue. We still have enough blue. And I do. Stir, 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 stir. And you take your blue and you just glide it on in nice even strokes. So you can see it coming on there. I'll lay it down so you can see it better. Now because it's wood, it's going to absorb this quite a bit. This is animal friendly in case you decide to take it out. It won't hurt them. But because of that, it also doesn't cover quite the same way. But that's okay. It's going to dry a lot lighter than what it looks. That's going to be really, really pretty. So we took our white brush and we're just stroking it on. There you go, like so. And just like that, you have one wall done. And you keep going around. And we're going to do wall 2. Once again, nice even strokes. Nice and deep and bright. And you can see I'm still painting. I really like this blue. It's a nice, pretty blue. A little water, get back in, and rub it. There you go. Do side 3 because of the edging. You can flip it, and we can do it all in one shot. I'm lucky that way. I hope everybody else's crafts are going well. You can always comment below if you like this color. If you think maybe we should have done something different, or something different you would do that I didn't do, feel free to comment below. Of course, you can like and subscribe for more fun crafts and unboxings. I do a lot of unboxings. Now, I do like to make sure I get underneath the awning as best as I can, because I don't like the unfinished look of, should that arise. I'm a finished kind of girl. And for this part, we might need our thin brush in a minute, but first, just keep going with this. Try not to hit your fence. As much as we can with the wide brush, because the wide brush just goes so quick and easy and gloss it right over. And then I think we'll take our angle brush. And we'll take this brush. Okay, around the fence. Make sure you don't hit your fence itself. Nice and smooth and even. Get it coated nice and good. Almost done with this part. There you go. As you can see, it doesn't take too long. And now that our house is coated, I'll get that too. Let's protect it from the weather. There you go. Now you have your house walls done. Throw that brush in the water. Throw this brush in the water to get cleaned up a little. Let's go with the green. I happen to have. It's almost a yellow green, but you know, hey. Stir to get that color in the way it's supposed to be. Okay. And you're gonna do yellow green to the inside a little bit. There you go, like that. And we're gonna do a pop of green around the edge. Use your edge side down. Keep your edge near the entrance. Nice and straight and flush. Make sure that this is as well. There you go. Little grass going on. As you can see, the edge of the brush is flat and it goes along that flat edge of the house. That way the colors don't mix too bad. So you don't accidentally paint your house green. But if you did, no big deal. It would just look like grass. Here comes the tricky part. There we go. Gotta set it down. As you can see, I'm almost there. Set it down real quick. Hold it by the rope. So you can see it's been painted. It looks really good. Now, the next step is going to be windows. The entrance is a heart, so the windows are going to be hearts. And I've decided I like hearts, so I'm going to give it a little bit of a window right here on this side. Over there. And they can be different colors, it's fine. Don't hurt anything. You have windows and doors. Looks like that. Nice and blingy and shimmering, and when the sun hits it, it's going to be really, really pretty. It takes care of your windows. Okay. And if you want to get creative, you can add a little bit of garden work. Take a little of your green. On my finish point. Here we go. Take a little green. Like that. And then you take your diamond dot tips right here. And you can create a really, really pretty flowering. The house is still wet, so you have to be very cautious when you're doing this, or else you'll transfer colors basically everywhere, which I kind of just did. Okay. Let your center bling to your flowers, like that. Okay. Pink one. Okay, two. And then you take your sharp tip, get it clean good, flip from green to a pretty color like red. I just happen to have a red I'm going to use. Build your flower. Nice little touch to it. Nice simple light stroking. Fine tip. You can leave it as a bead, or you can add petals like I'm doing. And look like that. And you have flowers, see? Now we have flowers. You could change up the colors throughout. Sometimes I use, sometimes I don't. And the best part about flowers is the petals don't have to be perfect. They can vary. Because in real life, flower petals vary. Can I go around? This side. And there's that flower. As you can see, now we have flowers. You got your window, your flowers, your door. And that finishes off this part. When this dries, the last step will happen. I have green diamonds and I have glue, and I'm going to paint the glue on when it's dry. Not yet. I'll paint the glue on with a brush. Here's my glue brush, and I'll wait 30 minutes and then I will dot it, and then we will be complete and you'll have a completed birdhouse. So voila. I hope you all enjoyed this one. I think that you will find birdhouses are very rewarding and very fun. And the sparkles and bling in the sunshine are going to be amazing. So this is my birdhouse. I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye. Happy crafting, y'all.